document into the text editor. You are using the Text Studio editor. You have the template also with you, LaTeX template. Name of the LaTeX template is q31.tex. This LaTeX template will help you to give you the output file, as well as contents are also with you in the Word document. In the Word document you have the two chapters, chapter 1 and the chapter 2. In each chapter you have some sections, subsections. Now we should also know very thoroughly the syntax of the commands, whatever we are going to use it. Now what you will observe here, in this template, initial preamble part is there, use packages and the earlier part. Your task is to put the contents within the begin document and end document. Within the begin document and end document, only this portion. Now you should be very much careful about these curly brackets. You should be very much careful about the curly brackets. Now, if you observe the Word document, show the Word document. Here the initially you will have the chapter number 1 and title of the chapter is the introduction. The two chapters are available, so chapter title is the introduction. Copy this introduction title. Now you will observe that automatically LaTeX will create the chapter name into the text editor. Here you have to instruct the LaTeX that I want to put the contents related to the chapter. So what is the command? Command you will get it from this LaTeX menu, sectioning, chapter, and paste it here, introduction. Okay. Now what I observed here, within this introduction, okay, you know that the name of the chapter is introduction and curly bracket ends here. The next contents here on the next line you can put it. Better to, it looks also good and that helps you to observe the things very nicely. So put the cursor on the next line because you are going to put the contents related to the chapter here. Okay, copy it from the Word document, the few lines, only the few lines, copy it, all the few lines means all this thing, copy and put it into the editor. Okay, done. Now your next task is to run the output. Run this and you will get the output here. Okay. Now what is the important part you should understand here? Inbuilt PDF viewer is available with the Text Studio. This inbuilt PDF viewer. On your machine you have the Adobe Reader also or any other reader. If you want to use that external reader, you can click it here and this is the Adobe Reader file available. Now you will ask me where this output file created is stored. You know that your text file is located in one particular folder .tx q31.tex. This file was there in one particular folder. In the same folder your PDF file will be also created in the same folder. Okay, that is clear. Now what I want to inform you here, each and every time when you do minor changes, please observe the output. This is initial, you are practicing it now. After a few days there is no need to run it many times, quickly you are doing it. Okay, the next part remaining related to the Word document we will get it. Here section, subsection, subsection, up to that level you can go. So what is CMS? What is CMS? Copy this portion and put it into the okay, right. Now get the cursor onto the new line. During this copy paste operation you should not create any mistakes. That means the curly bracket will go anywhere, there is unnecessarily space is there. What I also observed that here a lot of space is maintained, sometimes that also gives you some error. Okay, within the curly bracket exactly put the section title whatever is required, then copy the portion related to the CMS. Now you know that here this information is available related to this section. It should not be kept in a curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket, backslash, section and curly bracket, that is related to tell the information, to give the information about the section title. Okay, only the text, this information, there is no command required. So copy it and paste it. Just copy and paste. Okay, now run this. Observe the output. Once again some error is there. Okay. Undo it. It's okay. Once again redo this. If the error is there, just try to section, paste, enter. You remove this space. Sometimes this space also gives you the error. Remove the space. Still some space is there. Still some space is there. Delete. Yes, very good. Go to the next line. Put the cursor here. Yes. Now copy it. Oh, you just undo it once again. I think some unwanted text is introduced into the Word file. This portion is creating some problem. It's okay. So in this way you can go on practicing it. Now one important part, show the text editor. Show the text editor. LaTeX, sectioning. Here you will observe part, chapter, section, subsection. The star. The star is for what? If you use this command, then there will not be any number applied to that section. Now you observe that section means in the chapter 1 you have the section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This number will not be applied. Number will not generate if you use the star. Okay.